This is an invitation to join us at the Vital Sacred Feminine 5-night yogic cleanse with Amrita Ma Devi takes place this November in Mallorca. It's a sacred immersion into Ayurvedic ritual, kitchen sadhana and devotional tantra, unfolding daily in 3 phases. You'll receive embodiment practices for daily vitality, digestion and clarity, sunrise, midday and twilight, to restore your rhythm and vitality. You'll leave with recipes and rituals to nourish you for years to come, intuition, nature and divine alignment, and a revived connection to your feminine essence. If you feel called to deepen your relationship with Ayurveda, ritual and sacred feminine practices that nourish you from the inside out, and you're seeking a space to feel held, seen and supported among women walking their own paths of healing, devotion and reclamation. Find the details in the description for early bird.